Let's see if I can be able to hit the TK today. Next couple of matches. I think at lunchtime today, it was not really great the way I was playing. Hmm, interesting, Hiachi. Accidental win. Good. Get revenge. Nice. Halfway through, 6 more matches. It seems quite difficult considering the zone itself. I was literally thinking that what should I be doing in this case, and then I've decided. Nice. How many? Five more? Yes, five more left. Progressing really well.
Get ready for the next battle.
I think in the second match, I believe, a second round, around the wall, I was not really sure that what I should be doing, and I was trying to do something absolutely garbage. Then suddenly, I saw myself in a state where things were slowing down, and I tried the best possible optimized way to maximize the output, especially the damage, and I managed to
Get ready
win
for
the
the
round.
next battle.
Lucky Lou. That's nice. Let's see how far I can go with this. I'm trying to down jab. I was trying to down jab. I don't know what she was doing. I was literally doing nothing. Then I tried down jab and then this happened. Full string. No. Wait. Nice one. Playing really bad. Really, really bad. I need to improve.
Round four. Fight. You win. No pain, no gain. Get ready for
Hey,
the next
KK
battle.
Remy. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce the name. I really love that you really like the stream. That's good. But adding to Discord, I don't know. We can have a chat here. I usually don't use Discord that much. Sorry. But yeah,
Get
you're
ready
welcome
for
here.
the next battle.
Enjoy the stream. Fisher on. What's the name? Oh, sorry. I can only see that. Sorry. Now you can see too.
Round one. Fight.
Just don't press the button. That's it.
Fight.
I knew it. This is gonna happen. I usually don't like to play with Lars. Nice. Yes, finally managed to win this round. I think this round, I don't know. I may not gonna win because this is. Yeah.
Fight.
That's a good one.
Round four. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Just be aware that if you are spamming, sending me something over there, your message will be deleted immediately.
Get
Don't
ready
do the
for
self
the next
promotion,
battle.
especially with the external third party websites at all.
Round one.
Is the dance done?
Fight.
Same technique every single time.
Fight.
It's not gonna work, I believe.
Round three. Fight.
Oh no. Uh,
Round four. Fight.
sorry. Goal achieved. So I'm gonna lose one game and I'm gonna lose 144 points maximum, and then I'm gonna quit and going to pick Lydia if I lose.
Round one. Fight. Round two. Fight.
No, no, no. It's not. I don't know what I was doing. I would have known. The moment. Yes. So now it is good time to quit. How many I won? Maybe 9 matches in a row. And I'm gonna quit and going to play a Lydia a little bit. See, I think I've told a couple of times to myself that what happens here. See this. So when I'm on a losing spree, I am on a losing spree completely. Like I don't know exactly what happens, but once I'm getting used to it, like still like get a hang of it, I think it is do. Um, Sometimes we think that it is completely down to your hands. If your hands are feeling a little bit of more like cold, you really not able to press the buttons and move things around. And I play with this, so the things are more complicated with the controllers, especially the Xbox One. And the best part playing with the controller is I can be able to properly hear the click sounds when I do things. The only thing what bugs me is just forward, and back because thumb is not fast as like the arm. So, but yeah, people plays with controller a lot, such as Joka plays with the controller, Sin plays with the controller, and I think Kane Trench play with the controller. So there are many player who plays with the controller. Mine is a little bit. I can play. I can only play with this one. I have many controllers with me, but I usually play with this one only. Now the time is for Lydia. Um, I need to practice a little, Lydia, before jumping to the actual. Oh no, not this one. Jumping to the ranked again, because as I said, I wanted to pick a character. Like Paul is the one which resonate pretty well with me, as how can I say? I feel a bit more home when I play with Paul. But with any other character, I never tried any other characters as much as Paul. And still, I don't know much about Paul either. But yeah, so what I really want to do next, like there are so many different characters which roughly has a great move set. Paul has a quite limited move set, and he is quite predictable sometimes, and it is absolutely difficult to rank up because you have to be quite good at spacing, your movement, and your sidestepping game, and maximizing the combo output. And Yeah, the wall Uki is garbage. Heat smash, again garbage. Few things are quite slow, no meaningful lows. Still, like Paul is quite a balanced one, so that people can deal with the Paul nonsense pretty well. Uh, but for other characters, like every single one of them, even if you play against them, you feel like, oh my god, I'm dealing with some bullshit. Okay, this one new to the bullshit. Again, I can say that this one is more balanced. Uh, I've, I've I don't have any issue with the Armor King as much. Eddie again, all good. I can't complain. Iachi, all good. And you, I hate him. Kuma, no idea. Lily again. The fighting style is self-taught, as you can see. So things are not really amazing from my point of view. So this is not the style what I pick. Asuka, absolute garbage. I have no idea what she does. Again, Lee, I can say it's good. Audio, nah. So much of plus frames. I really like Law. His play style is really amazing. It's I really like watching Gozain and Tuni because the way he plays with Law is just absolutely inspirational. He plays quite well. Um, Keisuke plays with Kazuya. I really like this guy. It's quite again difficult to rank up, but he has a meaningful lows and quite a good move set. But again, Lena again, I really don't like the thing what people does when she just sidestep, duck, and do all those jittery kind of things. I really hate that part, but it is what it is. I just can't complain much about her because I used to play with this one, but back in the days. Lars again, absolutely crap character. I don't know what he does. Jun, I would say delete this one because this character has so much of range for every single thing. So even though if you're trying to stay away from those snipe, you can't get away with it. So the best way possible to deal with Jun nonsense is to stay in a close range. Same goes with Devil Jin. He has so many great and amazing things, but again, so much of VFX around him when he does. It is I don't like that much of VFX. I really like to see what is happening. Jin has given the very special kind of a tool. Uh, uh, um, what do you call it? There's a counter hit. So as soon as like if you fail to block in the right moment, he gets the entire combo. So he is truly overpowered. Frank, so many kicks. I can't deal with the pressure. Fang, I can't say anything. I've not played this character at all. Yoshi, I really love the gimmicks. I really love the gimmicks. I wanted to pick this character later date, but yes, definitely in my list. This one is again quite difficult to play with, especially. This is again similar to Paul, but this character requires great execution. Dragonov, again, I can say Ulsan plays with Dragonov quite easily, so I never played this one, so I can't have any comment on it. Steve, again, quite difficult one. I never tried. King, so many things is given to this guy. I think they have to nerf this. Like he has so many tools that you can't even deal with the nonsense. Jack, no clue. Oh, something happened to my machine. Sorry, I may have to restart. See, Leroy. Okay, let me just quickly see here if I can be able to fix this one. Something went wrong. I may have to restart the game itself. We'll be back momentarily. Yeah, some sort of a weird thing happened. See, it's going down every single time, so I just need to restart. It won't take time. Come on, let's go out, man. Da, 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 da. So my plan is to pick Lydia, do some practice, and then go on to the ranked. Because Lydia is like super easy to rank. As I've heard Blackheart saying this, he has given the tier number -69. Quite funny though. And Paul on his difficult rank, top rank there. So I totally understand why he has ranked Paul at the very hard, because Paul is difficult. Paul has nothing in his toolkit to deal with any nonsense. So you have to be really good at playing with the Paul against any of the other characters. As for Lydia, I'll show you exactly why it is so easy. As soon as you go into the instance, you get so many things which you can deal with pretty easily. So I'm gonna go not the online. Yeah, let's go to the practice and pick some meaningful character. Some, I would say one. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go and pick the Lydia because I really wanted to play a nonsense character this time because I've been playing Paul for quite some time. Since the game has released, I played only one character, which is Paul. And in total, I might have accumulated around 7 to 8,000 games and managed to reach Tekken King. I think on two different platforms, PS5 and PC. Sorry, Xbox and PC. PS5 is the next, so I'll do that later on. But this character, especially the Lydia, is the one which I would like to play. See if you don't do anything and just smash button, how far you can go with that. So I'm gonna take a look at the best possible plus moves or a combination, so I can have the more advantage. So I'm gonna just figure it out how this is gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do next is just to do the block on, and that way I can be able to see exactly what she's going to do next. So I think if you go 1 2 2, so she goes into this stance. See, look at the plus numbers. Interesting. 1 2 2. See, so this has been used quite often by the people. This is the one which I would say the most hated one, especially. I mean, you can do anything and it becomes the combo. See, this, yes. I'm gonna use this golden stance, low and Let's open the move list, and we're gonna see how this functions. So let's go into the hey, nah. I'm gonna see from this onward. I'm gonna do the display while training, yes, and yeah. So this gives you -3, which is exactly the same with the other people, such as Paul and all. And then 1, 2, 2. So this shifts to the cat stance on hit or block. Basically, it gives you the free move if you press 4, 4. 1, 2, 2. This one. So on a low, it gives you the 5 plus frames. From live and 1, 2, 3. See? Person doesn't have a chance. This one, oh my god. Save. 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 Oh my god. Everything is safe. 3, 2, 2. See? Then 2, 3. This is not safe. -13. I'm gonna use this. 1, 2, 2. I'm gonna use these two. That's the one. 1, 2, 2. Okay. Save. Save. Good. So this moves into the cat stance. Nice. So I don't know the combos. See. Amazing. Oh, sorry. So I have seen your samples. As I said you earlier, that your samples are looking quite nice though. But as I said that I don't have the budget available to do all these things, especially with the emotes and all. So I'll be doing it maybe next month or something. So apologies in advance that I haven't responded to your message in Discord. Sorry. But I do that. Don't worry. Because after this, I'm gonna watch the Farzine's Lydia, how he plays that, and I'm gonna just copy the exact couple of the move list and try to learn from that rather than me learning from scratch. Because the thing is, I don't want to do the hard work. Yep. So I don't want to do the hard work. This is quite difficult for me to just go through the hundreds of moves and try to figure out which one is going to work best in this case. On the other hand, Lydia is something that quite easy. Like for example, 1 2 2, and then goes into the instance and then press 4 4 4. You'll get the decent damage, and you can just keep repeating the same thing. Try to use the permuted combination in different ways. I have no idea how to deal with this thing, but I'll try. But only when I know exactly what I'm doing with the Lydia. Okay, next move. So it's to save. Okay. Not so good. Not gonna use it. Okay, let's go into the combo challenge at least. I can be able to see sort of the combos you have. Hmm. Okay, can I do that? Nice. This gives the 48. So this is for this. 1 2. Nice. What was it? Hmm. So what happens in forward 3 2 2 2 2 forward 4 3. Hmm. Oh, nice. Basically, she does that after the this one. Okay. Nice. Mm. Nice. So let me have a separate setup. I'm gonna create a different setup for the chat, I think so. That way, I mean, I can get a duplicate of this one. Game chat. Okay. So when you do this, what will you be able to do that one? So let's say is the camera. Can I be able to scale it up? Oh yeah, you can scale it up. Good. So things can stay as is wherever they are. Uh, what I've done. Ooh, already made some bad choices. I need to delete this one first. Remove. Yep. There is this one. I'm gonna duplicate this. Call it chat. And in this one, everything is just locked. Let me lock it first. So I'm gonna move this entire hmm. So game capture can go small. Get it? So I can have a bigger frame for the camera. It is. Oh, oh, there is a another camera underneath. Sorry, need to hide it. So we can have something like this somewhere here. What's the point of having this? Let's say somewhere here. I'm gonna keep this one here. Maybe we can have this here. I need to put up the frame properly. And where is the chat? Where is the chat? Chat box. Yes, here's the chat. So where's the chat? Okay, here's the chat. So I need to move the chat box. Chat box can go here underneath this. Nice. call this one chat box. I think I need to put some custom settings for that one as well. So we have this. Yeah, this is good. I need to use the top area for something else. So this looks nice. Going to put up this view numbers somewhere here. I don't know what happened, but it has gone bigger. No idea what. So the game can run over here. The camera stays there. Okay. I need to put up a frame around it so we can actually see things. And this is for the chat box. Mm, Where's the alert box? Okay, here's the alert box. So alert box can go here somewhere. I don't know. Maybe. Chat box is here. I don't know why the snapping is on. But this is quite bad. Okay, and then we have view count. Where's the alert? Again, this alert needs to go somewhere here in the middle of it. Good. So I need a frame, which I don't have at the moment. I'm gonna add a little, maybe going to add a backdrop. Let me see. Can we add color source? What the color source? Okay, we need to put this one somewhere down there. Here. And this color source is gonna be a little darker. Yep. Instead of black, it's gonna be a little dark. Somewhere here. Good. Can we have a frame? Yeah, we can do this. Copy and duplicate. And where was it? Oh, damn it. It's gone up. So we are here. Color space again. This time I'm gonna give it a slightly brighter color. So basically, instead of having a one pure sort of looks okay. Yeah, kind of a border. Yeah, that looks okay. See, I'm going to make this more like a purplish color. Yuck. So bad. Oh my god. I'm making this one look so bad. Nah, doesn't look good. Can we have like a bit yellowish tone? Oh my god, these colors are so awful. Anyway, I'm gonna take this one, go slightly brighter than the other color, and that's it. And chat box is gonna go ahead. So I need what do you call it? A proper layout. gonna go and put this one on. Mm, I need to update the streaming to something else. So title needs to be updated. I need to remove this one. Sorry. Um, practice. Did all. I'm gonna go with the settings. No. Titles here. All is good, I would say. It's fine. So I'm gonna go and change the stream to the practice. Gonna remove this one to just chatting. Audience, everyone. I'm gonna add the Tekken talk. OB. Ooh. Did he add? Nah. Yeah, this is what I really want to do. Yeah, I just changed the entire section to somewhere else. So this area has to be Notepad plus plus kind of thing, which I'm gonna use a little later. But yes, that's the layout what I'm going after. I think I need to take a little bit inspiration from FDX because the FDX layout is absolutely amazing. So I need to start putting up my notes there. Let me see if I can be able to bring the Notepad plus plus. Interesting. So I'm gonna change this to. Oh my god, how many documents do I have opened? Open into save as other view. I don't know how this works, but view. So I'm gonna go change it to. How can I change this to dark mode? This section free? No. Setting. Select the theme. We spin blackboard. I think blackboard is much better. And how can I bring this one there? So basically what I need to do, I need to have another window capture called Notepad plus plus 85 new, this one. And going to place it somewhere here. we have? I think I need to move this one here and make the window shorter. And then we need to crop this one. So we're gonna go with there. How can we crop this? Okay. Hold a second. Yep. That's the right way to crop it. Yeah. Lydia. Can I see it? I think the font needs to be slightly bigger. Font view. I don't know. This is how it looks when you type on it. Can you see anything? Okay, so we can see the Lydia across the board. Another first lane. Yep. So we need to make a little bit more smaller so we can see the bigger screen. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3. So we can use 20 lines. Okay, so you can see 20 lines there. Good one. But again, this looks absolutely crap anyway. So here's the Lydia. Then what will do? It's called again.